April 18th, 2024. So I got a call from a lady. I guess she sounds familiar, or she texts me, and but anyway, she's got a rental property. There's a crawl space, but it sounds like it's leaking inside the wall behind a washing machine. They could hear the water running. They sent me a little video of it, and so it sounds to me like it's leaking inside the wall behind the washing machine. I won't be able to get to the crawl space because it's kind of really shallow down under there. I'll have to flip G.I. Joe it, but hopefully it's not that. We're gonna go over there and see if we can find out where it's leaking. And looked like the piping was running up alongside the wall on the on the outside of the wall, and there was a shutoff there for a washing machine. And I think it might be leaking from there, maybe spraying up from the elbow or from where it connects. But I'm gonna go over there, and she gave me the address and the code to get in there, so I'll go over there and see if I can get in and fix it. It's kind of an emergency. The water's spraying all over the place.
Traffic light.
It's not good. I'm going over there and help out this damsel in distress, Miss Molly. Hello, damsel in distress. It's spraying right up from that gasket. See it? You can see it pissing out of there. Let's see if I can tighten it. Maybe I can just tighten it. Well, Miss Molly. Hello there. A leaker. Maybe I can just tighten it, maybe. Oh, she's still leaking. I'll have to take it apart and put some pipe dope on it. That's what you can do, is you can loosen up this back here. Loosen up the back. Should be able to. I think that's gonna do it. Needed a little, how you doing, Mama? That's all it needed. There's a gasket in there. That's what it was. Needed a little flipping, how you doing? Should take care of it. I'll just double check it, make sure it's not leaking anymore, but don't look like it. Make sure that I'm tight. She's not leaking anymore. I don't see it leaking. Not the greatest design in the world, but that's what it was. There's a little gasket in there. I just need it to be snugged up a little more. I don't see it leaking. Never a dull moment, Mama. Never a dull moment. So it was spraying up, what it was doing. She's good now. She's not leaking anymore. She was definitely spraying up there from the hot side. That was easy. I like them easy. The water was never turned off to the house, so we still got full pressure to it.